Kritik.
Hello Hanmika. What is this?
This is Nelakondapalli Buddhist Stupa.
Can you tell the significance of this stupa?
Significance. The Nelakondapalli Buddha Stupa is an important archaeological site and a significant cultural and historical landmark in Telangana. It is a testament to the region's rich Buddhist heritage and is considered one of the most important Buddhist sites in India. Kritik, you can explain the features of this stupa?
Features. The stupa is a large dome-shaped structure made of brick and stone. It is surrounded by a series of smaller stupas and other Buddhist structures. The site also features a number of Buddhist sculptures and artifacts. Like this stupa, there are many structures in India. Example, Taj Mahal, Jamna Masjid, which is visited by thousands of tourists every day.
Sri Ramachandra, Sita Rama, Kodanda Rama, Kamaniya Nama, Bhakta Vatsala, Bhagya Sitala, Antaramamaya. జగమంతారామమయం అంతారామమయం ఈ జగమంతారామమయం అంతారామమయం ఈ జగమంతారామమయం అంతారామమయం అంతరంగమున ఆత్మారాముడు అనంత రూపముల వింతలు సలుపగా